Just a second. So yesterday we had started with polar curves. Let me go back to the points and then directly draw a curve. Yeah. So what do you mean by polar curve? The polar curves which are represented in r and theta form, those are called as polar curves. Yes. And reply quickly, okay? At least one of the students. If we draw the
Yes,
curve
ma'am.
in terms of, yeah, if we draw the curve in terms of r and theta, then it is called as a polar curve representation. Okay. What is now r? R is the distance of that point from the origin. Can you see in this diagram? P is the point which is actually in x and y form. What is x? X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. So P is at a distance r from the origin, making an angle theta. And that's why the point P, which is x comma y, can also be denoted by r comma theta. Okay, where r is the distance of the point from origin and theta is the angle made by the line OP with positive x-axis. That x-axis is called as initial line, origin is called as pole, and y-axis is the line perpendicular to the initial line. Is it okay? And passing through origin. Fine. Now to trace any curve, we have to consider some points. The way we did it for Cartesian curve, the same way we have to do it for polar curve also. So the first point is symmetry, which I actually explained yesterday. For symmetry about x-axis, theta should be replaced by minus theta, because just see, theta is equal to, if your OP is making angle theta, then it is in first quadrant, then minus theta is in opposite direction, anti-clockwise direction, in fourth quadrant. So what if I get the value of r at a point P on this line theta and the same value I get for minus theta, then the curve will be symmetric about x-axis. For symmetry about y-axis, theta replaced by pi minus theta, if the equation remains same, then also we will get the symmetry about y-axis. If r replaced by minus r, equation remains same, then we can see that minus r means value of radius cannot be negative. It is drawn in the opposite direction. So then the symmetry is about origin. Okay. And if both the thing happens, r replaced by minus r, equation is same, as well as theta with minus theta, equation remains same simultaneously, then also I say that the curve is symmetric about y-axis. So these are the points for symmetry. Okay. Then the next thing is pole, whether the pole lie on the curve or not. If we get a value of theta for which r is 0, then the pole lie on the curve. So pole means what? Distance of the point from the origin should be 0. That can happen for any theta. And that time I say that origin lies on the curve or pole lie on the curve. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Once,
some
yeah.
students are trying to join.
Yeah, but I can't see anyone now request over here. So tell them to request.
Because,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Okay. They have been admitted. Just put in the unofficial group that join fast, so that I'll wait for 1 minute. Again, then coming back, it will become difficult, because now right now there are 94 students only out of 135. So if they really want to come, put the message on both the divisions, C and D, quickly, because again I cannot come back from explanation. Yeah, so we'll continue by the time where I was explaining you the points. So is it clear to everyone what is the meaning of pole lie on the curve? Pole will be lying on the curve. There is a value of theta for which r is equal to 0. Once pole is there, that is origin is there, we have to find tangent at pole. That will be found by substituting the value of r is equal to 0. I will get different values of theta. Those all will be tangent at pole, that is tangent at origin. Then try to draw the table for r and theta, because if I want to plot the curve, I should know for which value of theta what is the value of r, what are the different values of r for given theta. So depending on that, we will try to draw the curve, trace the curve. And then last is region of absence. So in region of absence, what is going to happen, that r will become imaginary, or it will become, r square will become negative. Is that okay? So if r square is negative, definitely that means r cannot be drawn on real coordinate system, and that's why the curve does not exist for that particular value of theta. Again, whatever is the maximum value of r, beyond that there won't be any curve. For example, if actually r represents radius, so the curve will lie entirely inside a circle of radius r is equal to a is the maximum value, then it will lie inside a circle, the curve will lie inside a circle of radius a. Okay, and if r has minimum value b, then the curve will entirely lie outside the circle of radius b. Is that okay? Is that statement clear to everyone? Yes? Do you understand the meaning that the curve lies entirely outside circle of radius B and inside circle of radius A? Do you understand the meaning of that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's something like that. Can you see the screen now? So suppose your minimum value of R is B. Okay, then there will be a circle of radius B. This is a circle of radius B. Okay, and maximum value of r is say a, then there is a circle of radius a. Obviously that a should be greater than b, then your curve will lie in this region. Are you getting it? What's the meaning of the curve lies outside the circle of radius b and inside the circle of radius a? This is a and this is b. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And if minimum value of r is 0, say, then where the curve, and maximum value is a, then where the curve will exist?
In the circle of radius A.
Very good. Entire from here till here, this is the radius a. So whatever happens, the curve will be inside this region only. Okay. Clear? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Then after that, there is something called as angle between radius vector and tangent vector. The formula is this: tan phi is equal to r d theta by dr. I have actually shared the video. How do you get this formula? Please go through that. I've shared it on your Google Classroom, and I'll tell you now the meaning of this. Okay. So just see. Suppose this is your equation is there, r in terms of theta, and you get these points like this, something like this. Suppose these are your 3 points. This is your first point, this is your second point, this is your third point. Now the first point has the radius vector, this one. Okay, this is your radius vector. So what is the angle between radius vector and tangent vector? Suppose your tangent is this. So what's the angle between radius vector and tangent vector? 90 degree. This is your radius vector and this is your tangent vector. So what is the angle between the two? Can you see? It's 90.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so tan phi, which is r d theta by dr, this is your formula. So what will that become equal to? Tan phi, it will become infinity. Whatever your calculation you'll do and you'll put the value of theta, you will get infinity if the tangent is perpendicular to the radius vector. Yes or no? 10 phi is infinity means phi is 90 na. Angle between phi is angle between radius vector and tangent vector and tangent line. Is it okay? So what is your radius? This is your radius vector. What is the tangent? Suppose this. So what's the angle between the two? 90. So 10 phi should be infinity. That means phi will be 90. Are you getting now? What's the meaning of this? What's the use of this? How to draw the curve? So that if this is your tangent, your curve will be like this. Your curve will be like this. And then it will join like this. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
सगळ्यांना समजतंय का? Yes or no? Please tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So suppose your curve is the one r square is equal to a square cos 2 theta. I want to trace this curve. Is this a Cartesian curve? What type of curve is this?
No. Polar.
It's a polar curve. It's a polar curve because it has function r and theta. So r is given in terms of theta. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. So the first point is symmetry. The way we started for Cartesian, same way we are going to start for polar curve also. What is the symmetry point? If theta replaced by minus theta, equation remains same. Equation remains same. Then curve is said to be symmetric about x-axis or initial line. X-axis is the Cartesian coordinate. Same line is called as initial line. Is it okay? Which is that? This is the initial line. Initial line. X-axis is the initial line. Okay. Is this clear? Why theta replace? If theta is here, then minus theta will be here, na? Therefore, if I get r over here and r over here, the curve is symmetric about this is your point for theta and this is your point for minus theta. So you are getting the value of r for theta as well as minus theta same. Okay. Then the curve will be said to be symmetric about x-axis. Is it okay?
मॅम तिथे cos 2 theta आहे ना.
बोला.
cos 2 theta
हो
आहे.
बरोबर
मग
बरोबर.
ते
हा.
थर्ड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये नाही जाणार.
हा आपण हे 2 theta आहे very good. But what we are drawing? Are we drawing it for 2 theta or we are drawing it for r and theta?
R and theta.
Yeah. So what will happen? Only it will become multiplicity and it will increase to give me the value of r square. But I am going to plot as a curve r and theta only. I am not going to draw 2 theta and r square. ड्रॉ करणार का आपण 2 theta आणि r square ड्रॉ करणार आहोत का? नाही. We are going to plot for r and theta only. So obviously we'll take the range of theta and we will see if I put here in this equation 2 theta will become this, which will give me r square. From that I'll find r and I'll try to draw. So the first point what we are doing is we're trying to find out the symmetry. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
The way we are going to draw x and y, even if the equation is x square plus y square is equal to r square, do we draw it for x square and y square? No, we draw it for x and y. Same way, if the equation is given in terms of r square and 2 theta, I'm not going to draw it for 2 theta and r square. We are going to draw it for r and theta. Clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So why I'm doing this first symmetry point? So that I can fix the range of theta. Since the question is on cos 2 theta, the entire range of theta that should be taken is 0 less equal theta less equal 2 pi, because it's a periodic function of period 2 pi. Correct? So it won't give me anything new after 2 pi. Same type of curve will repeat. त्यामुळे मला काय बघायचं 0 to 2 pi मध्ये मला पूर्ण रेंज घेतली तर number of values will be more. So can I reduce it? That happens with the help of symmetry. So if the curve is symmetric about x-axis, then whatever will happen in first quadrant and second quadrant, same thing will happen with third and fourth quadrant, correct? So I will have to restrict my range of theta only between 0 to pi. I don't have to go for 0 to 2 pi also. That's why I'm first finding symmetry. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So,
Now
ma'am,
this was, yeah, bola, yes.
so त्याच्यामुळे मग तो पॉझिटिव्ह असेल तेव्हा सुद्धा तो सेकंड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये जाईल आणि निगेटिव्ह असेल तेव्हा थर्ड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये, म्हणून मग परत एकशे सिमेट्रिकच होणार असं का?
नाही कळलं मला.
मग तिथे
आणि
कॉस टू थिटा असं दिलंय ना, तर
करेक्ट
मग
करेक्ट
थिटा असला तर तो टू थिटा म्हणून सेकंड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये आणि परत निगेटिव्ह असला की थर्ड, पण परत म्हणजे परत तो एक्स ची सिमेट्रिकच आला ना.
हो हो आपण थीटाला रिप्लेसमेंट करून बघतोय की कॉस थीटाला रिप्लेस केलं तर टू थीटाला पण करणार. आता जस्ट सी ना व्हॉट विल हॅपन. सो आय विल रिप्लेस इट. ओके, आर स्क्वेअर विल बिकम ए स्क्वेअर cos of 2 and theta. So it will become theta is replaced by minus theta. So it will become minus 2 theta. So that will become again 2 theta only na. Will it change? काही angle असू दे, cos of minus 2 theta will become 2 theta only because cos is even function. Whether it is 2 theta or theta. Don't get confused between drawing and your normal symmetry of cos angle. Whenever you have cos as a function, it will be always symmetric about initial line because cos itself is a even function. So you replace theta by minus theta or 2 theta by minus 2 theta, it will remain 2 theta only. तर जाताना थीटा
ओके.
जर पहिल्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये आहे तर 2 थीटा तू जसा म्हणतोयस तो डबल होणार आणि आपल्याला तो सेकंड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये वगैरे असं मिळणार. व्हॅल्यूज म्हणतोय. थिंक दॅट व्हॅल्यूज फॉर ओनली प्लॉटिंग फाइंडिंग द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ आर स्क्वेअर. परत आपण आर चीच व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करणार आहोत आणि तिथे काय होते ते बघू ना. ओके.
येस मॅम. ओके.
Yeah. So r square is a square cos 2 theta, where if I replace by minus angle, then also it is plus. So curve is symmetric word initial line or x-axis. One more symmetry that we know is replace r by minus r and theta by minus theta. If this happens simultaneously, equation remains same. Equation remains same. Then the curve is symmetric. Symmetry is about y-axis. Okay. So is that also happening? Just check. Minus r the whole square is equal to a square into cos of minus 2 theta. So minus r square is r square, a square, and cos of minus 2 theta is cos theta. So that is also happening. Therefore, the curve is symmetric about y-axis also, or line perpendicular to x-axis and initial line and passing through origin. So what we want, the theta range we can take only between 0 to pi by 2. एवढी जरी घेतली तरी जे पहिल्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये होणार तेच सेकंड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये होईल. जे सेकंड क्वाड्रंट आणि पहिल्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये होणार तेच थर्ड आणि फोर्थ मध्ये होणार. आर यू गेटिंग इट? बिकॉज ऑफ द सिमेट्री. सो आय कॅन रिस्ट्रिक्ट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ थीटा. इज इट ओके? समजतंय
Yes,
का
ma'am.
हे का नाही समज? एव्हरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now let us draw the table. After you get the symmetry, directly go for the table. So what is the table? I have theta to be my original angle. Then 2 theta is required in the question. Okay, I want the answer of r, but I have r square in the question. So I'll first find r square and then I'll find r. And then finally I'll try to plot what is theta and what is r. Are you getting it? Table कसा लिहिणार कळतंय का?
Yes.
Okay, so I will take the range of theta to be 0 because 0 to pi by 2, and we'll try to take at least as many distributions as possible of pi by 2. So 0, then pi by 6, then pi by 4, pi by 3, and pi by 2, so that I can actually see what happens in this first quadrant. Same thing will happen in second, and same first and second quadrant, same thing will happen in third and fourth. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So if
ma'am.
theta is 0, what will be 2 theta? That is also 0. Theta is 0, 2 theta is 0. What will be r square? Cos of 0 is 1. So r square is a square. And what is the value of r? That means plus or minus a. Is it okay?
Yes.
What is that plus or minus a? I'll tell you while drawing. Then find for pi by 6. When theta is pi by 6, 2 theta will be pi by 3. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is cos of pi by 3? Half. So it will become r square will become a square by 2. That's why r will be plus or minus a by root 2. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Then when I'll put theta is equal to pi by 4, what will be 2 theta? Pi by 2. Okay, 2 theta will be pi by 2. Cos of pi by 2 is 0. So r square will become 0. So r is also 0. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then for pi by 3, theta is pi by 3, so 2 theta will become 2 pi by 3. What is cos of 2 pi by 3? It is in second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. So it will become minus a square. Is this possible? Can r square become negative? Can r square become negative?
No, ma'am.
That means this is the region where, yeah, that means this is the region where the curve will be absent. So no curve. This is region of absence. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? When again theta is pi by 2, 2 theta will become pi. So cos pi is minus 1. Again you will get minus a square. So this is also region of absence. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now let us try to draw the curve. So this is your first quadrant, this is your second, third and fourth quadrant. Now let me try to draw roughly the angles. This is theta is equal to 0. This is theta is equal to pi by 6. This is theta is equal to pi by 4. This is theta is equal to pi by 3. And this is theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay? Clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Now let me draw, this is theta. Now let me draw r. What is r? When theta is 0, r is plus a. So let me write down, this is the distance a. This is distance a from origin. So where will be your first point? This will be your first point. Theta is equal to 0 and r is equal to a. Okay? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
What about minus a? If I want to draw for theta is equal to 0 minus a also, this is your positive direction. Then which is your negative direction? Exactly opposite. This is distance is a only, but it is in opposite direction. Therefore, it will be considered as minus a. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next is
Yes,
theta
ma'am.
is equal to pi by 6. Yeah, theta is equal to pi by 6. So what is the what do you say, value of r square? It is a square by 2. And what's the value of r? It is a by root 2. So if this is a by root 2 will be still less this point. A by root 2 is a distance less than a. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about pi by 4? Obviously, you have minus also. So you'll get it here. Minus a by root 2 means radius distance is same, but only in opposite direction. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then finally at pi by 4 again it is 0. So pole is this 0. So that you can confirm. I'll write down that later on. But are these 3 points clear? These are in positive direction and this you have got because of negative direction. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now for now between pi by 4 to pi by 3 and pi by 3 to pi by 2, here there are no curve. Because we saw that r square is becoming negative. So here there won't be any curve. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Now you have to join these
Yes, ma'am.
points. So you can join it like this. This point is there. If this is your tangent, then you'll join it like this, something like this. Okay? This and this. And if it is the tangent is this way, then you'll join it like this. Are you getting it? And then by symmetry about x-axis, you'll get the loop like this. समझते का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Smooth. Yeah. So that's why I have to find the angle between the radius vector, this radius vector, and the tangent vector. That I'll do with the help of tan phi. So what is tan phi? R d theta by dr. R d theta by dr. So I'll just show you. I've done the calculations. R d theta by dr for tan phi formula. Here see. This is a formula. R square is a square cos 2 theta. Fine. So 2r dr by d theta is minus, see, cos 2 theta derivative is minus sin 2 theta into 2 a square as it is. So r dr by d theta is minus a square sin 2 theta. Okay. Therefore, what will be the thing? 2 and 2 cancels, and you'll get r dr by d theta is minus a square sine 2 theta. Therefore, dr by d theta is minus a square sine 2 theta upon r, and therefore d theta by dr is reciprocal of this, which is minus r upon a square sine 2 theta. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And therefore r d
Yes,
theta
ma'am.
by dr will be multiply r. Yes, very good. So multiply r on both sides. So you'll get minus r square upon a square sine 2 theta. This is your r d theta by dr value. But what is that? That is tan phi. So tan phi becomes minus r square by a square sine 2 theta. Use the value of r square which is given in the question, that is a square cos 2 theta. So a square cancels. Cos by sine is minus cot. So minus cot of 2 theta, but minus cot can be written as tan of pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Isn't it? Relation between cot and tan.
Yes.
So what is
Yes,
phi?
ma'am.
Yeah. Therefore, what is phi? Phi is pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Phi is pi by 2 plus 3 theta. What is phi? Phi is the angle between the radius vector and tangent vector. So now let's come back to our this presentation. So the radius vector at theta is equal to 0. Huh? Radius vector is this, which is at a distance a, and at theta is equal to 0. What I got? Phi is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 theta. So when I'll put theta is equal to 0, what will be the angle phi? It will become pi by 2. So what is the meaning of that? Angle between the radius vector and the tangent vector is 90. So what will be your tangent? This will be your tangent, and therefore your curve will be smoothly joining like this. Is it okay now? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, because
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
the simplest way that I can explain. क्या किया मैंने? रेडियस वेक्टर और टेंजेंट वेक्टर का एंगल फाइंड किया जो फाई है. फाई की वैल्यू पाई बाय 2 प्लस 2 थीटा है. थीटा को मैंने 0 पुट किया. क्यों? क्योंकि रेडियस वेक्टर कौन सा देख रहे हैं हम लोग? r इज इक्वल टू 0, r इज इक्वल टू a. कब है वो? थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 के लिए. तो पुट थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 इन द वैल्यू ऑफ फाई. you'll get phi is equal to pi by 2. मतलब रेडियस वेक्टर और टेंजेंट वेक्टर का एंगल 90 है, तो कर्व आपका स्मूथली ऐसे ज्वाइन होगा और सिमेट्री अबाउट एक्स एक्सिस के वजह से ऐसे हो जाएगा. इज दिस ओके? नीचे वाला जो लूप है वो सिमेट्री अबाउट एक्स एक्सिस के वजह से आया. वैसे ही दिस साइड आल्सो दिस वी सॉ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट नेगेटिव, इजंट इट? तो ये वाला कर्व आ गया, एंड अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ सिमेट्री अबाउट एक्स एक्सिस आई विल गेट द कर्व लाइक दिस, एंड हियर द टेंजेंट अगेन विल बी again perpendicular to the radius vector. What is the value of theta here?
0.
Is this 0 के लिए भी दे सकते हो क्योंकि एग्जैक्टली माइनस ए का हम लोग 0 के लिए देख रहे हैं, तो वो फिर से यही हो जाएगा. सो पाई बाय 2, दैट्स व्हाई द टेंजेंट इज दिस. और इफ यू डोंट वांट टू फाइंड द टेंजेंट एट दिस पॉइंट बाय सिमेट्री और गेटिंग, यहाँ पे जो टेंजेंट मिला है वैसे ही यहाँ पे टेंजेंट मिलना चाहिए. एंड व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस? दिस इज a, दिस इज आल्सो a. सो द कर्व विल बी लाइक दिस. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज Bernoulli-Lemniscate. So is the tracing of this curve clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anyone has any doubt, you please ask, because that is actually important. If you are able to draw it, then only you will get the curve. R और थीटा ही ड्रॉ करना है हमें अलग अलग वैल्यूज के लिए. वो वैल्यूज थीटा हम लोग कैसे डिटरमाइन करते हैं? वी डू इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ सिमेट्री. अगर एक्स एक्सिस की सिमेट्री है तो थीटा की रेंज 0 to पाई ही लेनी है. दोनों एक्सिस में सिमेट्री है तो थीटा की वैल्यू बिटवीन 0 to पाई बाय 2 ही लेनी है. एंड देन ड्रॉ द वैल्यूज ऑफ, फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ आर एंड थीटा एंड ट्राई टू ड्रॉ इट. एंड हाउ द कर्व विल मूव, whether it will be concave or convex, that will totally depend on the tangent. Tangent के लिए कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं? tan phi is equal to r d theta by dr. Is it clear?
Ma'am, can you show the calculation for the tan phi?
Yeah, I'll show it. Here, can you see it? Tan phi is r d theta by dr. R square is equal to a square. I'll write it also simultaneously if you want. Let me write it on this and I'll show you. Pole के बारे में बाद में बताती हूँ. So what is tan phi formula? Tan phi is r d theta by dr. Correct? What is the equation? R square is equal to a square cos of 2 theta. ठीक है? तो मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है, आर डी थीटा बाई डी आर, लेकिन आर इज अ फंक्शन गिवन इन थीटा, तो मुझे इजी क्या फाइंड करना है, डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू डी आर बाई डी थीटा फाइंड करना इजी है ना, तो आई विल फाइंड दैट फर्स्ट। तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ आर स्क्वायर इज 2r dr by d थीटा इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर, तो कांस्टेंट है वैसे ही होगा। व्हाट्स द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos थीटा, इट इज माइनस साइन 2 थीटा इंटू 2, ठीक है, तो ये 2 और 2 कैंसिल हो गया। सो r dr by d थीटा की वैल्यू क्या आई, यू गॉट दैट टू बी इक्वल टू माइनस a स्क्वायर साइन 2 थीटा, okay, that is dr by d theta is nothing but minus a square sin 2 theta divided by r, but what's the formula d theta by dr, इसलिए मैं उसका इस इक्वेशन का रेसिप्रोकल लूंगी, d theta by dr is nothing but minus r upon a square sin 2 theta, but I want r d theta by dr tan phi की वैल्यू, so I'll multiply by r, so r square upon a square sin 2 theta, okay. But what is r square? In the given question, it is a square cos of 2 theta upon a square sin of 2 theta. तो a square cancel हो जाएगा, and tan phi का जो formula है, which is r d theta by dr, will now become minus cot of 2 theta. But what is cot in terms of tan theta? Because I have tan phi here, so I write it the right hand side also in terms of tan. So it is tan of pi by 2 plus whatever is the angle, which is 2 theta. So therefore phi is nothing but pi by 2 plus 2 theta. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका phi का फॉर्मूला। तो जब थीटा 0 है तो मुझे phi की वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी, pi by 2 plus 0, that is pi by 2. What is the meaning of phi? It's the angle between radius vector. This is your radius vector for theta is equal to 0. तो क्या है एंगल टेंजेंट का, phi is angle between radius vector एंड टेंजेंट लाइन, तो टेंजेंट लाइन और उसका क्या एंगल है 90, तो टेंजेंट लाइन यही होगी, तो ये अगर टेंजेंट लाइन है तो कर्व ऐसे जाएगा ना, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी गेट दैट लूप, एंड बाय सिमेट्री वी गेट द बिलो लूप। इज इट ओके नाउ? तो वही अगर थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 4, ठीक है, वो भी देखते हैं क्या था मेरा वो, दिस वाज योर कर्व एंड थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 4 इज दिस लाइन, where I got the value of r to be 0, ये मिला ना मुझे बराबर। तो 5 क्या है, 5 का फॉर्मूला क्या है, पाई बाय 2 प्लस 2 थीटा, तो इसमें थीटा की यहाँ रेडियस वेक्टर इज 0, तो व्हाट इज द टेंजेंट दैट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड, तो थीटा की वैल्यू क्या है, पाई बाय 4, सो दिस विल बिकम पाई बाय 2 प्लस 2 टाइम्स पाई बाय 4, सो व्हाट इज दैट, पाई बाय 2 प्लस पाई बाय 2, दैट मीन्स पाई। सो व्हाट्स द एंगल अगेन, इट विल कोइंसाइड ओनली ना, पाई मतलब 0 के ही इक्विवेलेंट है वो। Are you getting it? So angle between the radius vector and the tangent vector is pi. So pi is actually equivalent to 0. तो x axis ही होगा, इसीलिए it is going like this. Is it okay? समझ में आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Still anybody has any doubt, you please ask, because this if you have clearly understood, then you can go ahead with any other questions also. Here, not this one, this one. ये हम लोगों ने किया, ये कर्व है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज बर्नौलीज लेमनिस्केट, ओके। ये कर्व ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश करोगे क्या? मैं पोल का पॉइंट जो बोल रही थी ना, कि दे आस्क यू फॉर योर एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन वेदर द पोल लाइज ऑन द कर्व और नॉट, व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ पोल, फॉर सम वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा आर शुड बिकम 0, तो व्हाट्स योर इक्वेशन, आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर कॉस ऑफ 2 थीटा, तो कौन से थीटा के लिए ये 0 हो रहा है, एक तो भी थीटा चाहिए जिसके लिए वो 0 होगा, तो जस्ट नाउ वी सॉ इफ आई पुट थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 4, then r square will become a square into cos of 2 pi by 4, which is cos of pi by 2, and that is 0. So at theta is equal to pi by 4, I am getting r is equal to 0. That means pole lie on the curve. Pole lie on curve. Is it okay? And once pole lie on the curve, you have to find tangent at pole. Tangent at pole. तो tangent at pole का मतलब क्या है कि जब जब origin पे आएगा ये, तो there will be a tangent to that particular point. So how do you find that? Which are all the possible? R is equal to 0 put करो तो r square 0 आएगा, which means that a square cos of 2 theta should be 0. So cos of 2 theta should be 0. ऑब्वियसली a स्क्वायर इज नॉट 0. cos 2 थीटा कब 0 हो जाएगा? जब 2 थीटा पाई बाय 2 होगा, 3 पाई बाय 2 होगा, 5 पाई बाय 2 होगा, एंड सो ऑन. So theta should become pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, and so on. So this all will give you tangent at pole. What are those? This line, this line, this line, and then again repetition. ये pi by 4 है, 3 pi by 4, 4. This is 3 pi by 4. This is 5 pi by 4. This
N
is
pi by
7 pi.
4, where N is
Are we,
odd.
are we getting it? Yes. So
Yes,
all
yes, ma'am.
those will be your tangent. So this is your tangent. That's why the curve goes like this. This is your tangent, so the curve goes like this. This is your tangent, so the curve goes like this. And this is your tangent, so the curve goes like this. Is it okay? Exactly once, touching the curve. ठीक है? सबको समझ
Yes,
में आ
ma'am.
रहा है क्या? Anyone has any doubt? Please ask. Yes? Should we go ahead then? I'll give you one question. You try to solve that, and then we'll stop. This one. R is equal to a plus b cos theta. Totally it will depend on the symmetry and the this only, on the values of r and theta. Now this is not r square or cos 2 theta, it is just r and theta. Yes, tell me, do you have any doubt, or we should go with that question? Reply please quickly. Everyone.
No doubts, ma'am.
Anjali has no doubts. Remaining all students are agreeing with Anjali, that means.
No,
So
ma'am.
I'll
No doubts.
no doubts. Okay, Neeraj. Okay,
No
so
doubts,
take
ma'am.
down this question and try to draw. Very good, Saurabh. Okay, so all of y'all, and you will have to draw. You have to draw the curve. Okay, take down the question. R is equal to a plus b cos theta. This is your, excuse me. This is your question, and you have to draw this curve. How it will look. I don't want to show you the diagram, but try to draw it. Where is the symmetry? Tell me that first. And I don't want the answer from Saurabh, Neeraj, or Anjali. Sakshi, Anshu, you tell me if you have understood. Where is the symmetry? Quickly.
Ma'am, if we replace theta by minus theta, then it will be the same. So about
Very good.
x.
Excellent. That is absolutely right about initial line, because if you replace theta by minus theta, curve is remaining same. So symmetry is about, okay, let me share the screen. Symmetry is about initial line. Now they will give you in this words, symmetry is about initial line. Okay. Second point, let me ask you, whether pole lie on the curve or not. What is the, when do we say that pole lie? There should be some theta for which r should become 0.
No, ma'am. Pole does not lie on origin.
Now why you are saying that it does not lie? Because you don't know the values of a and b. Okay, so if I take a particular case, suppose it is 1 plus cos theta, a is equal to b is equal to 1, then does the pole lie on the curve?
And then it will lie, ma'am. It will lie, ma'am.
Absolutely. You are not knowing the yes, you are not knowing the values of a and b. Now when I take theta is equal to pi, what will happen? R will become equal to 1 plus cos pi. But what is cos pi? Minus 1. So the value is 0. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So yes. So for fixed values of a and b, we will lie. So now we'll see what should be the conditions on a and b so that it will lie. Okay. This was the special case. I told you so that you can understand. Yes, there can be pole, but for that I should know the value of a and b. Okay. Fine. Next tangent at pole we'll see later on. So right now what I'll start with r and theta value. Tell me which are the values of theta that you have to take necessarily.
0.
Yeah, okay. Tell me the range. Actually,
0.
we have seen the symmetry. Symmetry देखी
0
हम
to
लोगों
2
ने
pi, ma'am.
initial that is in general. Cos और sin क्वेश्चन है तो 0 to 2 pi लेना ही है, लेकिन सिमेट्री हम लोग पॉइंट क्यों लिखते हैं? ताकि वो रेंज हम लोग कम कर पाए. So what is the symmetry? Initial line बोला है ना सिमेट्री. तो जो एक्स एक्सिस के ऊपर होगा वही नीचे होगा. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा इन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट? फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होता है वैल्यू थीटा का?
π/2.
0 to pi.
फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में 0 टू पाई बाय 2, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, हाँ सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में पाई बाय 2 टू पाई. तो टोटल रेंज ऑफ थीटा वी हैव टू चेक इज 0 टू पाई. इज दिस ओके? समझ में आया क्यों 0 टू पाई लिया है? क्योंकि एक्स एक्सिस के अबाउट सिमेट्री है, तो जो भी फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में होगा वही थर्ड और फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में होगा. सो विल टेक द रेंज ऑफ थीटा बिटवीन 0 टू पाई. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me take the value of theta between 0 to pi. So 0. And now since it is 0 to pi, I won't take too many values of pi by 3, pi by 6. वो नहीं लेंगे. क्या लेंगे? 0, pi by 4. We should be able to draw the curve. So 0, pi by 4, pi by 2, then 3 pi by 4 and pi. Is it okay? If you take more values, the curve will be more clear to you. उसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for theta is equal to 0, what is the value of r? A plus b. Cos 0 1 है, तो a plus b होगा. When theta is
Yes,
equal to
ma'am.
pi by 4, it will be a plus b by root 2. Okay. Then when theta is equal to pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0, so value of r will be a. Then 3 pi by 4, a minus b by root 2 and a minus b. Is it okay? Values are clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me what is the relation? क्या हो रहा है? Values कैसे increase होते जा रहे हैं या decrease होते जा रहे हैं? A and B are positive, हाँ? A and B are positive.
मैम फर्स्ट इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं, बाद में
They
डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं
are
मैम.
decreasing. Decreasing
कहाँ तक
from 0
increase
to
हो रहे
pi.
हैं? कहाँ तक
मैम
increase हो
फर्स्ट
रहे हैं?
विल मैम ए तक मैम.
क्यों?
पाई बाय 4.
देखो मुझे बताओ. B is also positive, तो A plus B A से कम है क्या? मैंने क्या लिखी है कंडीशन? A and B both are positive. तो A plus B A से बड़ा है या छोटा है?
बड़ा होगा.
बड़ा है.
बड़ा
A
है.
plus B is greater
बड़ा.
than, so it is continuously decreasing. Decrease होते जा रहा है ना. A plus B is the largest.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
plus B is the largest, then
Yes,
A plus
ma'am.
B by root 2, then A minus B by root 2 and A minus B. तो decrease होते जा रहा है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Distance.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, convince yourself that whether is understood to you कि A plus B सबसे largest है, A plus B by root 2 उससे थोड़ा कम है, because we are dividing B by some value and then we are adding, then A उससे थोड़ा कम है. A minus करे तो definitely A से कम होगा, और A minus B करे तो उससे भी कम होगा. So it is decreasing. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, you are there? Bhujbal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
समझते हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this was theta is equal to 0. Actually, I should have drawn directly halfway only. This is theta is equal to pi by 4. This is theta is equal to pi by 2. Then this is theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. This is theta is equal to pi. ठीक है? Okay? ठीक है ना?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? So A
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
B is the largest. Yeah, A plus B is the largest radius vector. This is say A plus B. Then उसके बाद थीटा पाई बाय 4 के लिए थोड़ा कम हो रहा है, फिर और थोड़ा कम हो रहा है, फिर और थोड़ा कम हो रहा है, और फिर और थोड़ा कम हो रहा है. आई एम नॉट ड्रॉइंग द लास्ट पॉइंट. नाउ द कंडीशन 1. If A is equal to B, what's the value of A minus B? 0.
Yes.
0.
Yes or no? Yeah. तो वो लास्ट पॉइंट थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई के लिए कहाँ पे होगा? ओरिजिन पे होगा.
Yes.
Okay, so this is your last point. This was a little bit positive, this was more positive, this was still more positive, and this was the largest. ठीक है? All points you are got traced? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. We did.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. So you got these points. Now you have to join them smoothly. तो कैसे join कर सकते हैं? these points are there na, like this. So I can join it like this, or I can join it कुछ ऐसे कर सकते हैं या फिर ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? This you are getting it like this. मी ड्रॉ केलं तर परत रब करू शकणार नाही because it's with the help of pen. So either you can join it smoothly like this, or you can join it something like this and then like this. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
When
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
going to draw it like this. When we are going to draw it like this, tell me. This way. When we are going to draw it this way. अगर ये tangent रहा तो
हम tangent
बराबर ना? If this is your tangent, then I'll draw it like this. And if this is your tangent,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
draw it like this. समझ में आया? तो मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है? थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 के लिए मुझे टेंजेंट फाइंड करना है. सो tan phi, your formula is r d theta by dr. Yes or no? So let me find
Yes.
that. Yeah. लेकिन r थीटा के फॉर्म में दिया है. सो dr by d theta is easy to find. So what is dr by d theta with the help of r is equal to a plus b cos theta. कांस्टेंट का डेरिवेटिव तो 0 हो गया. b क्या है? कांस्टेंट है, वो वैसे ही रहेगा. cos थीटा का डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin थीटा. And therefore d theta by dr is 1 upon minus b sin theta. And then r d theta by dr will be minus r b upon sin theta. But what is r? Minus a plus b cos theta divided by b sin theta. ठीक है? Now I cannot simplify this ahead because I don't know the value of a and b. तो मैं ऐसे ही रखूंगी. This is tan phi. So when theta is equal to 0, tan phi at theta is equal to 0 is minus a plus b cos 0 divided by b sin 0. What is this?
minus infinity.
It's minus infinity. That means phi is minus pi by 2, you can say. Yeah, pi by 2. Yes or no? Sin 0 is 0.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yeah. So what is the meaning of that? Tangent is perpendicular to the radius vector. Are you getting it? This is a tangent which I drew the line just now. ये वाली जो line है, ये उसका tangent है. तो कर्व कैसे होगा? ऐसे ज्वाइन करके ऐसे स्मूथली होगा. और सिमेट्री अबाउट x एक्सिस के वजह से I will get it like this. And that's your cardioid. This is called as cardioid because it looks like a heart. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Neeraj? Did you get it, Neeraj?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. अदर्स, अगर किसी को भी डाउट है प्लीज पूछो. आजकल तुम लोग डाउट नहीं पूछते और आई डोंट नो वेदर यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग और नो, बट few students who answer they say yes, so I go ahead. That won't help you if you are really not understanding. So please tell if you have any doubt, you ask me.
मॅम त्या सिमेट्री अबाउट इनिशियल तर थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाय कसं काय आला?
नाही. तू पूर्ण व्यवस्थित वेळेत ऐकलं नाही का? दिस वॉज द स्पेशल केस. आय वॉज आस्किंग अबाउट पोल, वेदर पोल इज लाईंग ऑन द कर्व और नॉट. तर ए आणि बी च्या व्हॅल्यूज माहित नव्हत्या, म्हणून आपल्याला पोल आहे की नाही हे कळत नव्हता. तेच जर मी ए इज इक्वल टू बी इज इक्वल टू 1 घेतलं तर कॉस पाय थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाय पुट केल्यावरती आर वॉज टर्निंग आउट टू बी 0, सो पोल वॉज लाईन. ते आणि हे रिलेटेड आहे. सिमेट्री इज अबाउट इनिशियल लाईन इज बाय थीटा रिप्लेस्ड बाय मायनस थीटा.
येस मॅम.
Okay. Yeah. Any other doubt? Is it okay? So this was for a is equal to b. Similarly, for a greater than b and for a less than b, you will get two different types of curve. So that I'll share today. I have already shared those notes. You go through them, and we will take that. If tomorrow there are lectures, we'll take it tomorrow, or we'll take it on Monday. Okay, and then rose curve is left and rectification is left of this unit that we'll try to complete. But is this two type of curves clear to everyone? Cardioid and Bernoulli's lemniscate.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Fine. Fine. So let's stop sharing. Let's stop recording it. Hmm.